Piano Marvel's learning paths will guide you as you learn new songs and pieces. The learning paths break each song down into small learning sections, making them faster and easier to learn. Let me show you how it works. To start learning this song, I'm going to select the minced learning path. The minced path breaks the song down into the easiest possible way. As I complete each part, I can earn bronze, silver, or gold stars using the play mode. Once I've earned all the stars for this learning path, I will know the entire piece. We recommend starting on the top row and working your way down. Let's start by earning my first star on this song. To earn this star, I need to perform measures 1 through 4 on the right-hand part at a slow tempo. Just click on the star to go to that section of the piece. I like to use the practice mode first. It allows me to play as slowly as I need to figure out the notes. I can do this as many times as I want until I feel ready to perform this part of the song in the play mode to earn my star. Now I feel ready for the play mode. In play mode, I can play the song with an accompaniment in real time. Let's try it out.
Set. Go.
So close, I almost had it, but I played a G instead of a G sharp here, and my timing was off on the E here. Let's try it again.
Set. Go.
This is awesome. I've earned my first golden star on this song. The next star on my list is for the same part I just learned, but at a faster tempo. Since I already learned the notes on this part, I'll skip the practice mode and go straight to the play mode. Let's give it a try.
Set. Go.
Perfect. I earned another golden star. Let's earn another one.
Set. Go.
Great. I've learned the first section, and I can see that I've already learned 6% of this song. With the learning paths, I'll have the rest of this piece down in no time. We recommend that you use the minced learning path most of the time, but you can go straight to the chopped learning path to learn with hands together, or the whole learning path to practice the entire piece.